Hi, on this video I'm going to show you how to create a hybrid webinar via WebinarNinja. Okay, so first thing is we have to log in our WebinarNinja account using a registered email and password. Okay, so once we are logged in into our WebinarNinja account, we're going to be on the dashboard, which is this one. Okay, and from the dashboard you have two buttons that you can actually choose from on where to on creating a new webinar, which is this one and this one. So I'm just going to go for this one first. Okay, so since that we are going to create a hybrid webinar, we just have to click on this one. All right, but I won't be able to actually set up um, a hybrid webinar because this account isn't subscribed to Plus Plan yet. See, if, this is only available with Plus Plan, but this is very simple actually. You just have to put in the name of the webinar or the title of the webinar that you want to create. Okay, it's gonna be uh, like how to create a live webinar on WebinarNinja. Just for example, that's going to be the title. And your second is you're just going to have to put in the host name. All right, or you can add a co-host as well. So if you click on this add co-host right here, what will happen is there will be a pop-up asking that will ask for the name of the person that you wanted to co-host with you, the person's email address, and the title of the email that you're going to send. Because what's going to happen is if you're going to add a co-host, it will send an email to the co-host asking that person to join you on the webinar as a co-host. Okay, and after filling all the information out, after editing all the information that needs to be edited, you just have to click and save, and that's it. All right, next thing is you're going to set the time when you're going to be doing the webinar. So for this one, let's say, just April 8th, 2018, and that's going to be 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. This is going to be like Eastern Standard Time. All right. So you can also choose Pacific, Central, Mountain Time, depending on your location. And after that, you just have to choose if you're going to if your webinar will be for free or it's going to be paid webinar. All right. So if you're going to choose a paid webinar, what will happen is it will add additional portion on this part right here, which will actually says, this event is right here. This event is there's going to be um, something here like a price and then a box like this one wherein you're going to put in the amount of the webinar that you're going to do. If you want to do it for $15, $20, $30, depending on your webinar. Okay, and if you're just going to use it for free, or if you're going to do the webinar for free, you just have to click on free and then just click on create a webinar. All right, so that's it for how to create a hybrid webinar. Oh, by the way, just real quick, hybrid webinar actually means that you are going to be live, you're going to be there in person, all right? However, you have an option to have a recorded video played as you go along with the webinar. All right. So, for example, you already have an existing video about how to create a live webinar. So, what's going to happen is when your webinar starts, you have there's going to be a video playing along with you, as you do the webinar, which was the previous video that you have already used for that how to create a live video, a live webinar video. So that's it for how to create a hybrid webinar, and see you in the next video.